Eat 2 black-spotted bananas a day for a month and this will happen to your body. Bananas are a common food staple. I like having them around so my daughter can have a healthy, filling snack when she is feeling a bit hungry, and it looks like I am not the only one. About 96% of American households purchase bananas at least once a month, and the average person consumes 27 pounds of bananas a year. Now that is a lot of bananas. Sadly, most people are completely unaware of the amazing health benefits bananas naturally have. Bananas contain the following: potassium, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, total carbohydrate, dietary fiber, protein, and iron. The sugars found in bananas are all natural glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which are good sugars to consume. They also have significant levels of both dopamine and catechin, both of which act as antioxidants. Best of all, the riper the banana, the higher the benefits. Black-spotted bananas have even been shown to help the body fight cancer. Japanese researchers have proven that ripe bananas help fight cancer. As your banana ripens, its antioxidant levels rise, strengthening your immune system and increasing your white blood cells. In fact, ripe bananas are 8 times as effective as their younger green siblings when it comes to elevating the cancer-fighting potential of white blood cells. This is what will happen if you eat 2 black-spotted bananas a day for 1 month. Lower blood pressure. Potassium is known for its ability to lower blood pressure. It does this by balancing out the effects of salt. The body needs a balance of both sodium and potassium in order to keep blood pressure at a healthy level. Heart protection. The fiber, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6 found in bananas are excellent for heart health. Potassium consumption of 4,000 to 69 milligrams a day has been directly linked to a 49% lower risk of ischemic heart disease, compared to those who only consumed about 1,000 milligrams. Bananas also reduce the chance of having a stroke. Diabetes stabilization. Because bananas are a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, they are an excellent food choice for those with diabetes. High-fiber diets have been shown to improve insulin levels, which makes bananas an excellent choice. However, the carbohydrates found in bananas need to be carefully recorded. Improved digestion. Bananas have the ability to combat heartburn, diarrhea, and constipation. This is because they are an easy food to digest. However, it should also be noted that 1% of those who suffer from acid reflux find that bananas aggravate the problem. They don't work for everyone. Improved mood and memory. Bananas might be the world's most perfect brain food. By supplying nutrients essential for proper neurological functioning, bananas help the brain regulate mood and appetite while also supporting important cognitive functions like focus and memory. Improved brain function. Bananas help prevent brain disorders. Rich in magnesium, bananas aid in the conversion of fatty acids into DHA, an important omega-3. Scientists have discovered an important link between DHA deficiency and neurological disorders such as ADHD and Alzheimer's disease. Containing a high level of B vitamins, bananas also assist in preventing Parkinson's disease. Good for gut health. They alleviate constipation. Okay, so perhaps not the most pleasant thing to discuss, but we're all adults here, right? That said, bananas are high in fiber, and fiber aids in the normalization of bowel movements. Not really a surprise, as we've already discussed bananas and their positive effect on digestion.